What's good? Here he is, back with another one. Welcome to the world of my Dodge. These are some of my Dodge Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. As you can see, sorry for the light, it's very bright. But I'm gonna go off by the line. This right here is the three Dodge Challengers. I have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Demon time, baby. Nice. Good graphics. All right, these two right here, I was told that there are specials. You can get them at like one for like Walgreens special. The other one, I don't know where I got it from. I think I got it from both of them. I think I got both of them from Walgreens. But they're tight, nice. That's my Chargers, my Challengers. Then I have these right here. These are Chargers. This is like the paint job on here, but it's the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This one right here is a 1969 Dodge Charger 500. And I have another one, so I don't need to go into detail about that one. All right, this right here is 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. This right here is Dodge Charger Drift. This one right here is another Dodge Charger Drift with a different colorway. And this is a Matchbox Charger, 2018. This is a Matchbox Charger. This is a 1966. Look at that one. Bad boy. All right, this right here is a Dodge. 87 Dodge D100. I like the paint job. All right, this right here is the Viper family. Let's see what we got. We got this one right here is a Dodge Viper blue. I like the graphics. All right, this right here is a 3 different colorway. This is the yellow one. This is the purple. And last but not least, this is the red one. Those are my Dodge. All right. Check me out for more videos coming up soon. Peace.